What's up, Dynamo Squad? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I go from this dry twist to moisturized fluffy Frohawk on my 4B4C hair. So first off, I'll be using my mist bottle mixture to re-moisturize my hair. I won't spray too much. You shouldn't spray too much so that you can still have a little bit of stretch and that your hair doesn't shrink so much when you're doing this style. So I'll just rub that in. Actually, my hair has been in this twist for about 2 weeks and my hair is not so dry because this twist or this spray bottle mixture has been helping me to retain moisture from my leave-in conditioner that I applied on my twist like 3 weeks ago. So this style is a shift from my regular afro style and is quick and easy as I won't be defining my curls. Okay, if you're going to try this style, it's going to be quick and easy because you won't be defining your curls, except you want to do that. Let me know what you think about this style in the comment section down below. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate. So right now I'm just taking down the twist and you have to be gentle with it and everything. So I'm just taking down the twist and it wasn't like really a regular twist. It was I flat twisted the roots. That's why it's taking me some time to get the twist out at the roots. You want to be gentle because after like 3 weeks your hair must have tangled up a little bit at the roots with the shaded hair and everything. So yeah, I'm just going to take down the twist. My hair still felt moisturized. I really love this spray bottle mixture or this mist bottle mixture that I have been using. I think I'll make a video about it, and if I have it by the time I upload this video, I'm going to link it down in the comment section and in the iCards above. So this is me taking down the final twist, and as you can see, the twist has given me a little bit of stretch to work with. The spray bottle mixture has given me moisture but not too much to make my hair shrink. So I'm just going to fluff it out with my hands because I won't be using any combs. So I'm just going to go in with my rattle comb and part my hair to the side as a little square. Okay, so this I'm still new to styling my natural hair and everything, so my parts may not be perfect. If you're doing this and you're very good at styling your natural hair, then go ahead and make that very perfect part. And please, if you're working with 4B4C hair, be gentle. If you come across knots like I am or tangles, take your time and take it out, and then I will just hold the other parts away so that I can work on the section that I have sectioned out. Next up, I'm just going to spray just a little bit with my mist bottle mixture. It's enough to give my hair shine and moisture, and then I just pat slantingly for my first braid. Yes, I'm going to braid the sides, so I'm going to pat slantingly for my first braid. And this braid, you're not going to braid it all the way to the ends. You will braid it and leave it halfway so that when you pin it to the sides, it will blend with your fro. So I'll just go in and detangle right now before I start braiding. So I'll just use a little bit of edge control there to hold it in place, and I will just braid. I will leave a picture of the edge control I'm using on the screen so that you can see. Going in with my second part, smoothing the edges. Y'all, I'm still new to all of this, so my smoothing and my laying is still not perfect. I'm very much new to styling natural hair, so bear with me if it's not perfect. If you can make it close to perfect, then fine. So I'll be laying the last braid and spraying it a little bit with my spray bottle mixture so that it can help the thick edge control to spread properly on my edges. I really want to know what kind of edge controls do you guys use to lay your edges, because this edge control doesn't really lay my edges that well. I mean, I would use it and you'll see by the time I'm done with this style, my edges are already up and dancing. So like I said, you will stop the braid halfway. And that is it, and I will do the same thing to the next side. So you can see I've got 3 braids. You can also flat twist if you feel more comfortable with doing flat twist. So I'll take down the other portions and of course fluff my hair out with my hands. I will not be using any combs. So I section off the front portion that is going to be my bangs and hold it in place. Use a bobby pin and hold the sides together to form our Frohawk. You can always use more pins to pin it accordingly as you feel comfortable with it. And then I'll use pins to make sure my bangs fall the way I want them to fall, and you will fluff it out to make it blend. You're very welcome to use a fro pick if you feel more comfortable with that. And as you can see, I've added my braid cuffs or jewelry to give a little bit of spice to the style. So I'm using these silver braid cuffs or braid jewelry to design the hairstyle. As you can see, my edges are already up and standing like I told you they would be. So I'm still going to go in a little bit with the edge control again to lay my edges later on. So feel free to fluff until you feel comfortable with the amount of fluffiness that you have. So I'm going in again with the edge control and I'm going to lay my edges on my baby hairs. I'm not a pro at this. I'm new to it and everything. I try. So that is the style, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Will you be trying this style? Do you love this style? I've always loved Frohawks, and I mean, my hair has grown from last year by this time. I think I will insert a picture of what my hair used to look like in a Frohawk back in the day. That's at November last year. My hair has grown. Hashtag hair growth. I really love this style. What do you guys think in the comment section down below? Will you be trying this style? This is how well I can make it. If you aren't following me on my social media platforms, do well to check me out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.